The Earth's forests are our providers and protectors. They breathe alongside us, absorbing the carbon dioxide we release and returning the oxygen we need to live. The forests capture the pollution we create, filter the water we drink, supply abundance for countless species, winged, web-weaving, wide-mouthed, wet, and woolly. Water vapor from their leaves forms clouds and rain. Life-saving medicines grow in their depths. For millennia, the forest stood as a living barrier against dangerous heat, deadly storms, and the devastation of rising seas. But today, every minute, land the size of 36 football fields is cleared somewhere in the world. A swath the size of Panama lost every year. Billions of tall trees and all the life they sustained. Slashed, burned, logged, gone forever. Unless we do something, unless each one of us does something. In 2011, when Viridian hadn't even been in business for 2 years, we made a commitment to plant 5,000 trees in the remote, endangered Amazon rainforest, no matter how long it took or how many journeys we'd need to make. It became known as the Amazon Preservation Project, and it united us all. Because it was always about more than planting trees. It was about taking action ourselves, not waiting for someone else to do it. And belief, strong belief, that we could do enough to make a difference. It was about how a small, young, audacious company could make a big, long-term, audacious promise and carry through year after year. But of course, the Amazon Preservation Project was about planting trees, planting them ourselves, one by one, knowing that each seedling planted was one small step toward restoring our one and only home. We started in Brazil, in the Mamori River Basin, where huge tracts of land lay bare, and planted 555 trees that year. Each trip, we planted more and more. 6 trips, 2 countries, 176 participants, and 5 years later, we were there on the ground in the Peruvian Amazon as we reached our shared goal. 5,000 trees, planted by hand, representing every one of us at Viridian.
5 years, 5,000.
This is,
Yeah.
we're done.
5,000 trees made possible by our customers' choice of affordable, responsible energy. And one company, no longer small, but more committed than ever to big, audacious goals. A brand is a promise. This one is Viridian, to keep planting seeds and tend them by hand in our communities and around the world. And through every responsible product and smart energy solution to honor our green and generous earth.